The Find X8 Pro strikes a great balance between power and portability, and its weight contributes to its overall ergonomic design. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring durability. It's also rated IP68/IP69 for dust and water resistance, making it suitable for various environments. Also, there are a wide selection of colors for users to choose from. Overall, the design looks cool. The 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display offers a 120 Hz refresh rate and 10-bit color depth, providing a smooth and vibrant visual experience. The display supports HDR10+ for enhanced contrast and color accuracy. With a peak brightness of 4,500 nits, it ensures excellent visibility even in bright conditions. The Find X8 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, which includes an octa-core configuration. This chip ensures smooth and responsive performance for all tasks, from everyday use to demanding applications. The phone comes with 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM, providing ample memory for multitasking and gaming. It runs on Android 15 with ColorOS 15, offering the latest features and security updates. The Find X8 Pro boasts an impressive camera setup. It features a quad camera array on the back, including a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel periscope lens. The cameras are tuned by Hasselblad, ensuring high-quality images with excellent dynamic range and color accuracy. The camera performance is outstanding, capturing detailed and vibrant photos in various lighting conditions. The Find X8 Pro excels in video recording as well. It can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth and high-quality footage. The camera's image stabilization helps reduce shake, resulting in steady and professional-looking videos. The Find X8 Pro is equipped with a 5,910 mAh battery, which provides excellent battery life. With typical usage, the phone can last up to 18 hours on a single charge. The device supports 80-watt fast-wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, allowing you to quickly get back to full power. The Oppo Find X8 Pro is a flagship smartphone that excels in design, display quality, performance, camera capabilities, and battery life. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gamer, or just someone who wants a reliable and stylish phone, the Oppo Find X8 Pro has something to offer.